This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at how to set the date and time on your A100 wristwatch. In the video we'll use 3 buttons. So the bottom left button, button C, you press that 3 times to get to the time and date settings. So we'll do that now. 1 takes you to alarm, 2 takes you to stopwatch, 3 takes you to the time adjustment screen. The next button is button D, the bottom right button, and that actually changes the setting you're on. So it starts off on seconds, which are flashing. If you press that once, it sets them back to 0. And the other button that we'll use is the top left button, which toggles between seconds, minutes and hours. So we'll press that now. That confirms the seconds and moves on to the hour. So we're going to change ours to 10:30 in the morning. So we now need to go back to the button D and press that a few times to get to 10. And then of course we then press button A, top left. That moves on to the minutes. So to get to 10:30 we can press and hold down the bottom right button and it will fly through the minutes till you get close to the one you want. So I want 30, and you just press it a few times to get to that one. And then to confirm and to move on, you press A, and that then jumps us around to the date. So we're already on January, so I wanted to set mine to the 31st of January, which is a Friday. 31st of January 2025 is a Friday. So we've already got January set, so we should just press A to move to the date, which is also correct. Again, if I wanted to adjust it, I'd just press the bottom right button, but I don't, so I press this to confirm. And the only one I want to change is the actual day of the week. I need to change that to Friday. Confirm. And then when you're happy, you could reset the seconds now. So obviously we've confirmed and it's jumped back round to the seconds. So if you wanted to adjust those, you obviously could do by pressing bottom right. But if you're happy with your settings, and at any point in the process, if you're happy with your settings, you press the bottom left button once. That confirms everything and just takes you back to the normal display. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of your A100 and other Casio watches. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.